Bienvenidos a mi canal. Today I'm going to show you how I made these cute little candy bags for our wedding guests. Thought that maybe you would like to use it for your own wedding, or honestly any type of event. You can really personalize it anyway. So let me take you step by step. Let's go. In these candy bags, we got a few things. So first, we got Jose's favorite candy. Second, we got my favorite candy. Third, we got a fun fact about us to give it a little bit more of, personalization. I can't say that word. So to hold, ow. Ow. Girl, I just hit my elbow. Okay, to hold all these items, we purchased these favor boxes from the Dollar Tree. Each pack has 8 of them for like $1.25 because, inflation, so nothing is $1 anymore. We bought this stamp from Etsy to give it a little oomph, and we used a silver metallic ink pad from Amazon. So, algo simple. All right, next, to pack the actual candy, we bought cellophane bags from Amazon and bought these round labels that have like a silver metallic ring around it from the one and only Michaels. Which brings me to today's sponsor. I'm just kidding, I wish. So to print text on the labels, I went on avery.com, scrolled all the way down, look for the little link that says find a template, chose the round labels, then I looked for the 1.5-inch diameter, and it will ask you in what format you want to print it, and I selected Adobe Illustrator because that's what I got. I inserted my email and my password and done, at least for that part. So now that you got that file downloaded, let's open it and lock the layer that holds the template. Then add a new layer to add any text or images that you like. And when you're ready to print, just make sure to remove the visibility of the template so then the lines don't show up on your labels. On to the next step. Let's stick the labels on the cellophane bags. To help me center the labels, you already know I had to draw out like a template by outlining the cellophane bag, and then I measured it and marked it where the center would be when I fold the top opening. So yeah, I taped it that down on the table so it wouldn't move, and I started sticking those labels onto those little cellophane bags. Once done, we filled the bags with our fave candies. I got these serving tongues from the Dollar Tree to grab the candy, and I placed some gloves on and I started just working, girl. Okay. ¿Tú quieres que cabe todo en no sé con cuántos brazos o qué? ¿Qué tienes que recoger tu cuarto? Ay, ¿no viste que ayer traté de hacer alá?
¿Y tú crees que a mí no?
Oye, pero yo no te estoy diciendo, ay, no hiciste nada o...
Yo no te estoy diciendo que no hiciste nada más, que no me dejes tú porque te vas a ir a la vacancia en la tarde y la bronca es que si uno echa luego la ropa a la secadora o ya pegas el grito.
Ahorita voy.
Ese suéter no era para la secadora, oh my god. No voy a saber si mis calzones pido tanto y...
Oh my, I cannot believe it. The other fun part that we did is add our fun facts about us. So we made them on Adobe Illustrator, and I used this glitter paper that's easily printable. Got it on Amazon. And we made 10 different facts because each table had 10 seats max, so we wanted to at least have each person in a table to have a different fact, and people loved it. We tried to be creative with them and tried to share facts that not many people would know. So just make it fun. Now that we got all our ingredients, my mom and my little sister helped out on putting them together and packed them up. We placed the fun fact card in the middle of the candy bag so then that piece of paper wouldn't get lost in the little paper bag. We also cut a bunch of gift tissue paper to smaller square pieces so then they can fit nicely into the favor boxes. I hope you guys liked this and that you found this little DIY enjoyable. I got another wedding event DIY project that I made that I'll show you guys. So if you want to get notified when that video comes out, go ahead, go ahead, girl, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. Mr. Worldwide 305. I'll see you guys next time. Bendiciones a la niña. That's for you, Melissa. Bye.